Hello guys, let's talk about shopping online for your clothes. So there are a lot of apps and websites where you can do that. For example, Zalando or Boost or Asos and a bunch of others, of course Amazon. But in Europe, Asos is one of the most popular ones. So basically I will tell you my experience with Asos. So first of all, it offers free delivery as most of these apps, obviously, but with free delivery you can wait like a bit more time. So you can wait up for a week and sometimes even more. And with free delivery, basically, it won't be delivered to your address, it will be just delivered to some parcel shop around you. So you will need to spend some time going and collecting the parcel. Should you buy clothes online? Of course, for me personally it works really well because I can save a lot of time by buying clothes online, not going to the stores and spending like 3 hours on fitting and stuff like that. But mostly I go with stuff like pants, t-shirts, some hoodies and stuff like that. With shoes, I only go with my well-known brands, for example Nike or New Balance, where I just tried them in the store and I know exact size, so they will fit. So then it works. If it's a new brand and I don't know exactly if it will fit, I just go to the store first, fit it in the some department store, and then I can order it online.
So this is how the Asos packaging looks like. To open it, it's really easy. You just need to tear along the dotted line, and then if you want to return, you can just use the same packaging. You can just use the self-seal strips inside, so don't throw away this package. So it's really handy. I just collected this from GLS.
Obviously, the good part about Asos and all these apps that you can return things. To return them, there is an instruction inside of each your package, and basically you don't need to throw away your package because it's super easy to return your stuff in it. So here's how Asos app looks like, and here's the home page. So basically here you can see first of all sales. You can see, of course, CTA to their premier delivery. What I really like, of course, that you can add your favorite brands, and then you can add your style. So you just select which styles you like, and then you will see some suggestions for you, which is really nice. So that's the good part. Then the next tab, you have some search, so you can see different categories of clothing. Then you have your bag where you can add clothes, and then you can see your liked items. So for example, if you find that some item which you liked, first of all you can like it, so it appears in the liked items, and then you can move it to the bag. To move it to the bag, you just select a size, then it appears in your bag. From here you can just go to checkout or use Apple Pay, and then basically you select different options of delivery. So as you can see, in Denmark it's Danish krona. You can select free pickup point. It won't be delivered to your home address, it will be delivered to some GLS parcel shop. And if you want to next working day delivery or some nominated date which suits you, you will need to pay. So here it's like 110 krona, so it's almost like $18, so it's like pretty expensive. Then you just need to enter your billing details and it will be delivered there. And then you can go to your accounts and add other payment methods or something like that. course, you can subscribe for next day delivery if you order. So guys, this is the Asos delivery. Let's unpack it to look what's inside. So basically inside of each package, obviously you will have your stuff, for example your clothing, and then you will have an instruction how to return your clothing. And that's it. For return you can use this bag, and you can use self-sealing strips inside. So I guess this one is, so you just untap it and then you can tap it again and send it back. Is it really so much cheaper online? In my experience, not that much cheaper. There are some sales, so you should follow them. You can subscribe for some newsletters, and where there's some like 30%, 50%, 70% sales, then you probably should buy online. But of course, on a lot of products, the prices are actually pretty the same as in just regular stores. And obviously, if you buy online and then you pay for delivery, it will be much more expensive. But then you save your time, so you just decide. Personally, I also like Asos clothing app because they have English version of an app. So for example, if you live in Germany or Denmark or Netherlands, if you open other apps, what I discovered like the Lando or Boost, they will have like a Dutch version of an app, but if you don't speak Dutch, it will be quite hard for you to discover that. So maybe Asos is not the cheapest app. I think the Lando is a bit cheaper, and there are maybe some better options. But like the design, the usability of an app, it's pretty easy and it's super comfortable. So I do recommend that